On paper, a cable looks simple. Just two conductors, a fixed impedance, a clean signal path. But in real life, cables behave in much more complex ways, and those small imperfections start to matter at RF. In the previous lesson, we learned how impedance mismatch creates reflections and reduces power transfer efficiency in transmission lines. Even small differences between load impedance and characteristic impedance can significantly affect RF performance. However, earlier discussions often assume ideal transmission lines with perfect structure and uniform properties. In real systems, transmission lines are never ideal. This raises an important engineering question. What non-ideal effects appear in real-world RF cables and transmission lines? Real-world transmission lines deviate from ideal behavior due to physical imperfections, manufacturing tolerances, and environmental influences. These effects include loss variation, connector discontinuities, bending and deformation, frequency-dependent behavior, and external electromagnetic interference leakage. Together, these non-idealities affect signal amplitude, phase, impedance stability, and overall system performance. Intuitively, imagine a perfectly smooth highway in theory, where cars move without friction. In reality, the road has bumps, curves, and traffic disruptions that slow movement and create inefficiencies. Real RF cables behave in a similar way, where small imperfections continuously affect signal propagation. Physically, consider a coaxial cable system used in a base station installation. Each connector introduces a slight impedance discontinuity. Bends in the cable slightly alter the geometry, causing minor reflections. Over long distances, these small effects accumulate and contribute to signal degradation even if the system is nominally matched. Mathematically, real transmission lines are modeled using distributed parameters that vary slightly along their length, including resistance, inductance, capacitance, and conductance. These variations lead to frequency-dependent attenuation and phase distortion. Real-world cable effects are critical in Wi-Fi infrastructure, 5G base stations, satellite links, radar systems, and RF measurement setups. Engineers must account for connector quality, cable bending radius, shielding effectiveness, and environmental conditions such as temperature and humidity. In high-frequency systems, even small imperfections can significantly degrade system performance and must be carefully managed. Understanding real-world cable effects bridges the gap between theoretical transmission line models and practical RF engineering systems. It explains why measured performance often differs from ideal calculations. A common misconception is that high-quality cables behave almost perfectly. In reality, all cables introduce some level of loss, reflection, and distortion, especially at microwave frequencies. In the next lesson, we'll explore measurement of transmission lines and learn how engineers evaluate these effects using real RF measurement tools. In this lesson, we learned how real-world transmission lines differ from ideal models due to physical imperfections and environmental effects. We also saw how small non-idealities can accumulate and impact RF system performance. In the next lesson, we'll explore measurement of transmission lines and understand how engineers test and characterize RF cables and structures. If you found this useful, like the video, subscribe, and follow for the next lesson.